Hi, in today's video I want to show you how to solve the problem when you have a metal door that are basically hollow only with the foam inside, and the threads inside of the frame are stripped, so doesn't matter what screws you use, the lock does not hold. So let me show you how I do it. So if you have a situation when you have a door like this, but as you can see there is nothing inside and it's basically just the foam. So if you have a stripped threads inside of this metal plate, there's nothing that's gonna hold it. So the lock is not gonna be able to be secured properly. So I was thinking what to do, and I came up with kind of easy solution. So what you need to do is to create, or if you already have small nut that's gonna fit the size of your screw that you have. So if you have a flat screw head with bolted nut like this, all you have to do is just put bolted nut behind that metal plate so the lock is going to hold it. I found those screws from one of my old locks that I'm going to reuse, and I made actually my own little washer, put a thread inside of it, and I actually put one of those on top to check if it's gonna hold it, and it did. Now I'm gonna do the same thing on the bottom one. So I'm just going to go and slide this piece behind this plate. So once this thing is inside, I just need to make sure I'm going to line it up properly. Okay, I'm going to put my lock in, and once I put my screws in, they will hold to that washer there is behind of that metal plate, and this is the only way you're going to have a secure lock in a door. Otherwise, if you have a stripped screw or stripped thread inside of this door, it will spin and you will not going to have a properly installed lock. So here, as you can see, I have a special screw that I left from one of my old locks, and here you can see that the thread in the front is a little bit wider than closer to the head, which means that if you have a wood door, then you can start with this thread and then you can use the smaller thread to probably go into the metal part of the door. So I cut a little piece out of kind of thick metal so I can create a thread. So this is like a hanger from, I think, the fan. So I cut a little piece. Then how do you make a thread? So I measure the threads first. I'm not gonna show you exactly how it's done, but I have this tap and die set from Harbor Tools, and basically what you need to do, you need to measure the thread first, and then I was using one of those tools to create a thread in this piece of metal. If you have any questions, send me an email. I'll be more than happy to help you. And now it's perfect. Voila! That's how you solve the problem. Alrighty. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.